UV germicidal lamp handheld portable germicidal light sterilizer. Convenient to carry, the lightweight hand-holding design saves space and can be used at any time for the required area. The light is suitable for toothbrushes, mobile phones, pens, glasses, and other light-emitting items. Plug-and-play UV disinfectant is used via USB power and cannot be charged. It can be used through the power bank. Sterilized at any time. You can use it to scan any place you want to disinfect. Mini travel light has proven in practice with scientific use. The light can kill 99.9% dust. Suitable occasions. The UV light is suitable for home, office, business trip and travel, which is easy to carry and use. Give your family, children, and yourself a safe haven. Wide functions. The UV light can maintain the cleanliness of the housewares in the room, closet, and surroundings. Avoid being covered by dust. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.